Best and right productivity methods. You should know what are the best and right productivity methods so that we have maximum productivity, right? I am KC Parmeshwaran, this is Seva Medal, a productivity coach and an NLP specialist. Let us start off with the first point. Organize tomorrow starts today itself. That is, if you have a task tomorrow, organize it in the previous day itself so that when you sleep, your subconscious mind starts working on that particular task, and the next day morning you are ready to do it and you will easily do it. So you will not procrastinate. To avoid procrastination, it is always good to write the task of the next day in the previous day itself, right? Coming to point number 2, use the Eisenhower Matrix. What is this Eisenhower Matrix? Eisenhower Matrix is a 4-quadrant. And what are those 4 quadrants? It is urgent and important tasks. First. The second one, important but not urgent tasks. Third, urgent but not important tasks. Fourth is not urgent or important tasks. So if you follow this system, so you will exactly know, you can divide your task into this matrix. Fine. Next is what we need to do after we know the tasks. Now we need to prioritize this, which is as per the Eisenhower Matrix, we need to prioritize. So now number 3 is prioritizing all the tasks as per the Eisenhower Matrix. Next comes Pomodoro Technique. What is Pomodoro Technique? Work for 25 minutes, take a 5 minutes break. Again, work for 25 minutes, take a 5 minutes break. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5 minutes break, work for 25 minutes and take 5 minutes break. So what happens is every 25 minutes after that you get a break. Your mind is refreshed so that your concentration will not get diverted. But it is not possible for us to finish a task in 25 minutes. So what we can do is we can plan according to our plan that maybe 60 minutes or a 90 minutes. So after 90 minutes, you can take a 15 minutes break or a 20 minutes break, right? So continuously you can work for 90 minutes and take a break. The break should not be sitting again in front of your computer. Just walk around, go have a cup of tea, or just walk around and see distant objects, and you can come back so that your concentration will be there again. So that is a very productivity hack to work in Pomodoro Technique manner, right? Next comes is the biological prime time. Now everybody has a biological prime time. That is the most productive hour. What is our most productive hour? Check for a month and you can know when are the times you give more output. Some people give more output in the morning, some people give more output in the afternoon, some people give more output in the evening. So you find out which is your prime time and club all the important tasks at that time so that you get more output. So identifying your biological prime time is very important. The next one is getting things done. Do a brain dump. Whatever comes in your mind, write it down in a notebook. Then set small goals. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year. Set goals as per the tasks, whatever is in your brain dump, say whatever you are taken into your notebook, so that you can easily start planning for that and you can start achieving your goals. Next is must, should and want list. So from these list, now you know the priority, you know what are the jobs you need to do. In that also, the most must, that is when you prioritize, make a list of must to do. That is today itself I have to complete, should do it or it need to be done, and want to do it or not very important. Want are not very important tasks, right? Next is eat the frog. Eat the frog is do the most difficult task. Do the most difficult task the first, so that when you do a hardest task, the other task you can easily complete it. So the hard task is over in the beginning of the day itself. So eat the frog first, that is the hard task. Do the hard task first. Next is use a Google Calendar. Google Calendar method helps in a lot way. That is, whatever you are having the task, you can put it in your Google Calendar, set a reminder, and you can set a mail through Google Calendar itself to your friend so that you get a reminder in your phone. Equally, you get a reminder from your friend also asking you to do that job in the next half an hour or after 1 hour. When he gets a reminder, he can also intimate you. So this is a very good calendar. It is free of cost and I am using it for years together. So Google Calendar is one of the best to plan, right? Next point is the one thing, one task at a time. do only one task at a time. If you do multitasking, none of the tasks will be perfect. Over and above, you will not complete all the tasks. Few tasks will be left in between. So always try to do one task at a time. That gives more productivity. The next point is keep notifications off, except your Google Calendar and your bank notifications. Keep your mobile in off position, or you can keep it in aeroplane mode, right? Then keep all other distractions away. So don't get distracted when you're doing tasks. If you get distracted, if a notification comes, you leave your computer and you go there and come back. It takes 17 to 20 minutes for you to come back to the concentration again. So distractions is very, very important. You should not have distractions. This one of the best method is to keep your phone on aeroplane mode, right? Next is productivity hacker. Have a productivity hacker to find out end of the day or the weekend, you know how much task you are completed and what is the percentage of your productivity. You can make it in Google Sheets or you can make it in Excel sheet, and you can mark every day that the task completed, and at the end of the week it will show you the percentage of your productivity, right? So productivity tracker is a very good tool. You can make it. It's not a tough task to make it. You can make it. Then every end of the day review. After the end of the day, when you go to plan the next day's tasks, first write today's task. What are the tasks what were the tasks assigned, what were the tasks completed, and what are the tasks left for the next day, and which is left, take out that and put it in the next day's plan, right? So end of the day review, end of the week review, end of the month review, end of the quarterly review, half-yearly review, and yearly review is very, very requirement for any business or any productivity work or any work for that matter, right? That is all the methods which you need to have for best productivity. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it to your friends, comment in the comment box, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified when I post the next video. And if you're interested to learn about procrastination, productivity, focus, and mindset, you can join my VIP Facebook group. Thank you and have a nice day.